parents who come at us, who really come at us, it's called automatic thought behavior. When they walk through the threshold of the school door, what are they thinking? They're thinking about their experience when they were a kid. And if they had a difficult time, or their parents had to go to meetings because they were in trouble, that's exactly what they're experiencing when they walk through the door. So when they sit down at our meetings for whatever it is that we're talking about with their child, they're already on the defense. I will spend my first parent-teacher conference often sitting there for the 20-minute slot that that parent has, talking about NASCAR or whatever it is that they're into. And then I'll say, man, it was great to get to know you. Hey, let's make an appointment so we can talk about, what's going on in school. And I have found that I've been able to grab more parents that way than not understanding how they're coming through the door. If school was scary for them, it's still scary for them. That never goes away. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.